Hey guys, I don't know what we are gonna be playing. We're gonna be playing Twisted from Temu or Twister X. I don't know, but okay. Oh, it's full. Hold on, this is good. Better than Felicity, but not better than Twisted 1.19. Tornado emergency! Go to Twister X. Wait. Holy crap! A true lightning, thunder. The frick is this? I don't want that. Tornado, storm attack, sedan. Oh, I'm gonna use storm attack, cause why not? Georgia? We're in Georgia? Wow, this is the fastest car ever. We're going 25 miles an hour. And is that the tornado? What? Why do I keep... That's a door. That isn't a house, that's a door. Okay, let's turn. Let's see if it sucks me up. And how am I... Oh, huh? Oh my god! Who told you that you can drift? I didn't do... That ain't Reed Timmer, that's T-Rimmer. Why is he going that... The tornado's that way. Whoa! Fastest car in the world. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my. Seriously? Not even a second later, and I start driving towards it. It lifts. It's 4 a.m. No. Why? Let's play another. We're playing biggest tornado ever, and there's a flag date, I guess. Where's the tornado? Where is it? Where the freak is it? Is this supposed to be like the shelter or what? I don't know, but it's okay. The frick? Was there a huge rock? Oh. Hi. Can you even reach? Still see it, it's a dot. Still see it, still see it. Still see it, oh my god, it went in. I still see it. It's a really small dot. Who's supposed to bomb? Oh my god, why is it so laggy? Probably because it's still so laggy. My graphics are 3. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's too many excavators. Excavators. Invaders. Invalids. I don't know. No! It's gonna miss! It's gonna miss! Oh, I missed it. Maybe in front? I shoot in front. Go! Now in the base of it. Still see it. Still see it. Still see. Oh my god! Something just flew. Who's trying to hit me? I'll keep shooting. Dang it! He killed me. I hate him. No. Oh wow. Oh wow. The next game is Tornado Storm 1.8. Tornado Storm came. Right, okay. Tornado 1, Tornado 2. What? You came me. No, I did not. I did not come to you. Slash. Oh, thanks. I now know your friends. Okay, that's. Yeah. I should have been the dead man walking. Yeah, because it's famous. And I don't like that man walking. Tornado Storm 1.18. Oh my data probe, Dorothy probe, video camera, video probe. My FPS, my ping. Can I play? 7 minutes. What the heck? What does this do? Spawn, it's what I don't want Div 2. Div 1 Pro, Tight it, no. Mobile doesn't. Oh my god, that's even worse. Play. This data, oh my god. And okay, radar cam, another probe, another data probe. The heck is Dorothy doing? Another probe and the tunnel video probe. Yeah. This is horrible. We have tornado blocks and Twisted, but my tablet can't run Twisted, but my phone can. I don't know how. Yeah. Is there any service with IE? I don't want a lot of people in servers. Well, yes, we'll join random server. Okay. This is the update. This Dallas cars, van, supercars. 21. the same. We'll do better with 2008 TIF 2. See ya.